Namaskar. Today I am going to discuss a topic that has become increasingly relevant in today's time, the issue of low sperm count and fertility. With more and more couples facing challenges in conceiving, it's important to address the underlying factor contributing to this rise, from lifestyle stressor to environmental toxins. There are numerous reasons which are responsible for declined sperm count. I am sharing a very effective solution to this problem. A simple drink that harnesses the power of nature to help combat these issues. The Chia Fenugreek Walnut Fertility Drink. So let's understand this. We need 1 tablespoonful of chia seed. These tiny seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and zinc, essential for healthy sperm production and improving testosterone level and sperm quality. Next, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. These common seeds in our Indian kitchen are power packed with antioxidants known to enhance male fertility, increase testosterone level, improve sperm count and boost libido. Then 2 tablespoons of chopped walnut. Walnut has a great source of omega-3 fatty acid and antioxidants, improving sperm vitality and movement and shape. We will also need 1 cup of milk. Milk provides essential nutrients like calcium and vitamin D, which are very important for overall reproductive health. It also serves as a creamy base for our fertility boost drink. If you don't prefer dairy milk, you can also have a plant-based milk as per your choice. For sweetness, you can add 1 tablespoon of honey. That is optional. Along with some sweetness, honey has more antioxidants and supports overall well-being. You can add a pinch of cinnamon for advanced flavor, which has potentially anti-inflammatory benefit. This is also completely optional. So now, after understanding all these ingredients and their importance, let's understand how to make it. The very first step is to soak the seeds. Take a small bowl, combine chia and fenugreek seeds. Cover them with water, let them soak for an hour, or you can even leave them overnight. This step is crucial as it softens the seeds, making them easier to digest. Once your seeds are nice and soft, it's time to blend into your blender. In your blender, add soaked seeds, chopped walnuts, milk and honey. Add a pinch of cinnamon powder for extra flavor. Blend until everything is smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass, and here your superfood fertility drink is ready. You can take it for breakfast or as a midday snack, making regular part of your diet to support sperm count and fertility. Here are some holistic tips which you should include in your day-to-day life for better and faster results. Exercise regularly and include yogasanas like Yogendra Vajrasana, Yogendra Paschimottanasana, Yogendra Dhanurvakrasana to include blood flow and reduce stress. Engage in recreational activities like swimming or walking in nature to maintain healthy weight and reduce stress. Have some food which is rich in antioxidants like berries, spinach and tomatoes, as well as drink zinc-rich food like pumpkin seeds, chickpeas to support sperm health. Avoid any type of alcohol and drug use as they can negatively impact sperm's health. Take care. Namaskar.